Meaning of earthly.
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 Earthly. The term earthly typically denotes something that belongs to or is related to the physical world, as opposed to the spiritual or heavenly realm. It can be used to describe things that are tangible, temporal, or mundane in nature, such as earthly possessions, earthly desires, or earthly concerns. The word can also connote a sense of limitation or impermanence, reflecting the fact that all things in the world are subject to decay and mortality. Overall, earthly carries a connotation of materiality and transience that sets it apart from more transcendent or eternal concepts.